The International Trombone Festival Youth Workshop keeps getting bigger and bigger every single year. And we are so pleased to have world-class tutors teaching all of the Youth Workshop. And this year, we're so pleased to have Dunwoody Mirvil with us. You are Assistant Professor of Trombone at Stetson University in DeLand, Florida.
Yes.
Thank you so much for speaking to me now. What is it about coaching the next generation that is special to you?
It's totally gratifying to enrich the lives of the next generation. It's essentially just give them what we never had, and even give them some of the experiences that we've had before. So it's always a great thing to give back by way of teaching them things within the trombone, in performance, education, and even in entrepreneurship. So it's always a great thing to give back, and this is a great festival to have this type of venture.
And what is it you're actually doing yourself with the Youth Workshop?
So with the Youth Workshop, I am one of the faculty members of giving master classes, warm-up sessions, and then we also have a chance to work with them in a trombone choir setting as well, too.
So if someone wanted to come on the Youth Workshop, what would they sort of expect in terms of a schedule on the week?
It's essentially a full gamut of what one would expect from college students and even professionals, but it's tailor-made for 12 to 17-year-old students. So they have a chance to, again, perform in a to engage in a master class setting. They go to concerts, and they have speakers to come in to speak with them, to give them ideas on what they should do or what they want to do as they lead into college. So I think what's taking place with the International Trombone Festival and having them to come here, it's a great experience for them.
And so this year we've had Joe Alessi exclusive masterclasses. That is just it's second to none. It's absolutely brilliant.
It's great.
And so if you were to say to someone to come to an International Trombone Festival Youth Workshop, why would you say you need to come?
It's totally an experience that you do not want to miss. It's a one-stop shop, essentially, and it's an experience that you can definitely take back to your schools and send back to your fellow trombone mates at your high school.
Absolutely. Well, I mean, we've heard you in action with the Youth Workshop, and they sound incredible under your direction. So thank you so much, Dunwoody.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.